Well, folks, hope you guys are doing well, having a nice weekend. Wanted to give you a quick update on the last week in terms of the org chart builder. So like this, on my side, a lot of folks have been asking about a private way to log their, right, do their searches for their org charts with a private user. So I did just that. If you scroll in this email I just sent you, right, with a weekly update, you can see here how to create your own account. So you press on this link and it takes you to a page where you can just put in your email, create a password, and you have your own account. So you can securely, browse, add your own accounts, save them, also update them, because you don't want, for example, if you took an org chart and you tweaked it with your knowledge, you want to keep that, you can store it securely there. So you guys have that. Let me know what you think about that. So that's the first thing. The second thing is more functions. So up till now, we've had only the sales and HR function. This past week, I've added also the IT and finance functions. So for example, in this account outreach, you could see, right, there's four different, there's sales, there's HR, also finance, IT as well. So you guys can definitely drill down a lot with greater resolution into every organization. Now, a quality feature that I've added here is a rating within these charts. So if they're good, you can let me know the charts are great. Give it a 5. But if they're mediocre or something's really off, you can give it a lower rating, and then you can also comment and say what was wrong. Was the reporting bad? Was the order or any other such point for me to add, because I have a feedback loop which improves these accounts and the whole system as a whole. So let me know on that front. And then the last thing, I've added an export feature. So for example, let me pull up this other account. So Pager is also a pretty sizable account, about 1,000 employees. And you can see here on the bottom right a button that says Excel. So if the visualization is good enough for you, you don't necessarily need it. But then if you want to be able to export it and maybe run your manipulations or run a benchmark or reformat data in a different PowerPoint that you're making for yourself, you can click it and you have an export right here. I would open the export. Sometimes it gives me the alert that the file format is off, tweak which I'm working on, but you open it up, it's safe and sound, and what you'll get here is the whole spreadsheet, which is the whole org chart, right, in a sheet format. You can see here, right, you have the company name, right, the title of the person's name, their job title, where they're based, country, city, and state, and so on, and also who each person reports to. So you can use this as a base to really, if you wanted to recreate your own reporting or benchmarks with us for that. So that's pretty much the updates on my end. Next, I'm thinking also about greater scale, like bigger accounts, like massive banks, like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, which take a lot more computing power and a whole different type of processing. So that's in the works. Let me know your thoughts, how things are going on your end, and I'd love to continue this. And again, I really appreciate you guys being here for my journey, proving this, and looking forward for this tool and software to really take shape with you guys. Have a good weekend. Enjoy. Keep healthy. Ciao.